HSGQ X410DW is the flagship model in FTTH projects. Also for commercial use is high-level model. It offers for LAN port and one voice port with dual-band Wi-Fi. No matter wireless access and wire access, all have good experience. Besides the voice port, all internet, video, voice service can be loaded. 1 router mode, 2 2-FRIX, and 5 8x dual-band Wi-Fi. 3 for LAN port plus 1 voice port. 4 HGU firmware. 5 SC, UPC or SC, APC optional. 6 Realtek chipset. This all-new is flagship model for FTTH users, can meet almost all family users' requirements. Usually will offer to customer which bandwidth more than 500 megabits per second. For commercial use, it can offer more than 8 SSID to divide work Wi-Fi/guest Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi.